welcome back to our next lecture on learning Autodesk Inventor. Before we continue with hello and welcome back to our next lecture on learning Autodesk Inventor. Before we continue with the panel, I want to quickly explain to you another important thing, which is creating some tables and some borders and making that as a standard template. So whenever you start a new drawing, you don't have to go over and over again and make your desired table. So you have just you have to make it only one time, and then you will use it as a template. So I will show you how to do that. Let's go just first make a drawing. Click ISO.iam, and okay, as you can see now, this is our drawing here. But let's say I don't like this table, and whenever I go here and click new, I want here to have another standard with another form of table. So let's just continue and you will see what I mean with that. Let's first go and delete the borders. Oops, I need to delete them here. Delete this as well. Okay, so I'm going to create a quick border, a new border here, just like in the previous lecture, but I just want to show you because this is a very important thing. Let's make it 5, and then make this 5 millimeters as well. Now give this, I make it for instance 10 millimeters, and click finish sketch. Let's make it border 1 and click save. Give it any name you want and click insert. Now we go and edit the title block, define a new title block, and now you make just any title block you want, but I'm going to make one which I will always use during this course, and let's give it some dimensions. I will make it 185. We'll make this 35, and then I'm going to make some cells. I will just use a simple tool. Let's make it 185 by, let's make 15. Then once again, let's make it to the center here. Now what do I need to do next? I will make another one here. And okay, so this will be the name of the designer, this will be the date, this will be the let's say the subject. I will make another one for the date. I will make this one for the title, and let's just make another one here for anything else. The dimensions aren't really that important because you can just edit them later on. Okay, so now we said that we wanted here to put the designer name. We wanted here to have the date. Let's just make another field here. We will put here the pages. Let's put here the subject and so on. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we are going to add the text, and let's leave it like this. Properties drawing, let's make an author here, insert it, make it to the center and to the middle. Okay, so this will be the author. Click that, find the middle and put it into the middle. I'm gonna make this, okay, let's make all of them at once. Control key and select all these lines and make them visible only to the sketch. Okay, so now we want to put here the, let's say, the date. But if we go to the text, just like previously, we cannot find the date. We need to make a customization. I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's go File, go to iProperties, and go to Custom. Now I'm going to give a name. Let's make a date. Choose the type you want: text, date, number, yes or no, and go to date. And go here and click today's date. So let's make it checked and click add. Now we have this. We can of course add many more. Let's choose any name you want. You can add owner, publisher, phone number, and stuff like that. And now we're gonna add the date. Click there and go to custom. I think, oh, I forgot to click OK. Let's go one more time. iProperties, custom, date. Okay, let's just date, text, shows date, today's date, add, hit OK, and now we did it. Let's add a text, and now we can, now we can see custom properties drawing, and there's only the date because we only did a date. Put it on the center, click OK, and now just copy and constrain it to this section here. So this is the author, this is the date. Now I can put here the topic or anything I want. Let's go and do that real quick. And let's just choose author category. Let's choose title, put it here to the middle, and let's put it here. Of course we could make it bigger. Let's make it 7. I think it's good. Okay, now I want to add one more thing. I want to add, let's say, drawing properties. I want to add the number of sheets, or I will see if I had something. Okay, just enter, delete this first. Number of sheets. Click OK. And I forgot to align it to the center. Click OK. Use the constraint tool and put them here. And I just can go here and click here, number dot and the number of sheet. Okay, so I think I will call this title block 1. Let's then hit save, zoom out, and click insert. Okay, so this is not my real name. I'm gonna edit this. So if I edit it here, summary, let's make my name. Click apply. It doesn't change, not yet, because I put it on the drawing. And let's choose the title, our first exercise, subject, company. I'm gonna copy my name and put it everywhere. Not save, summary, our first exercise, subject. We could of course fill these and go part number, subdescription, project, designer, engineer, authority, and so on. Okay, I think this will do the job. And now, as you can see, my name has changed. Now it's my real name, and the title is our first exercise. As we changed it, the date is the 30th 12th 2018, and the number of pages. Of course we can fill these, but right now I will leave it with just like this. Okay, so we said that every time I open a new drawing, I want this table to appear instead of the other template. So how are we gonna do that? Okay, first of all, we need to save it, but this time we need to save it in a special path. We are going to save it where our templates are saved. So I'm going to show you how. And I'm going to call this my standard. I'm going to call this my standard and make sure it's .idw. Okay, so go to Autodesk, Inventor Projects, go to Template, Metric, and save it here. Click Save. Okay, now it just saved my standard.idw, and I'm gonna close this. So this time when I go and click New, I can see now I have two of these templates. So one of them is the ISO of the inventor, and this one is the one that I created myself. So I don't have to go and create another table from the beginning and waste time. So my table will be ready. So as you can see, this is my table, and that's what I wanted to show you because this is also important. I'm always going to use this table and these borders right here. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lecture. Goodbye.